Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, we would be looking at gold for tomorrow. So, the next day we would be expecting, we would want to know what gold will be playing out or what would happen on gold. But before I go in depth on what we should be expecting on gold, now, to those of you that are actually having trouble growing up your account, that is for those that are actually having trouble growing accounts. You can actually subscribe to our Patreon channel. You will see the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So there we are now offering a 40% discount, which we intend for it to last for 2 to 3 days. So maximum of 3 days, this offer will be over. So if you can quickly get it within 2 days, then you'll be getting it at a 40% discount rate. So these are a couple of trades we actually took. We've taken this week so far. This is one of those trades we took on Monday, WTI crude oil, which we actually hit our profits. You can see WTI crude oil, we hit our profit on Monday. On Tuesday, also, we actually took a trade on WTI crude oil, and we've actually hit our profits target. So on Wednesday, we will be looking at another trade, probably WTI crude oil also, or any other trade. We get a good setup. Like I said, high probability trade setup is what we'll be sharing. So you can just give it a try, by the way. So guys, just give it a try for a month at a 40% discount. This you can get it right now. The link will be in the comment section. So let's take a look at what this gold will be happening. Let's zoom it out. I'll start with the daily time frame. You clearly can see that this is kind of resistance level. Price come here, we reject at this level. This will be seen as the support level, right? Now when you take a look at this movement on gold right now, you see that gold is literally dropping, right? It is dropping, no doubt about that. So with what I'm seeing right now, price gold has actually come to this level. There's a possibility that we will get a pullback, then we will continue the movement to the upside. Yes, there's a possibility that it will do that, or it will actually continue the downward movement. All will be determined by the movement of our USD index and the news that will be released tomorrow. Now let's take a look at what might happen tomorrow for tomorrow news. Tomorrow we will be expecting federal fund rates, that is an increase in interest rates, right? On the interest rate, sorry. It is expected that the Fed will leave interest rates at 5.50. So if in case it does that, then personally I will see USD drop. I will see the USD drop. If USD drop, then any other thing we are trading to our USD will go bullish. That means gold is very much likely to give us a bullish move. But if USD goes bullish, if we see a movement, upward movement on this our USD, then expect gold to actually drop. So what they are saying, they say that they want to leave it at 5.50. If in case Fed comes out and it increases it to probably 6% or 6 point something percent, then I see USD going bullish. Once the USD goes bullish, then I see gold dropping. That is on it. Now let's take a look at this USD index on the technical aspect of this. Let's zoom it out, by the way. So you clearly can see that on this level, right, there's a range market move within this level. Now let's sit this way. So sit this way, by the way. We can see that this is a key level, right? Price came to this major level and it's rejected. Price also came to this major level and it's rejected. When price broke above it, price gave us a pullback, tested this major level, right, went up. You can see price is reacting at this major level. Same thing with this level, price is reacting at this major level. And currently, we are at this major level, which we can call as the resistance. What do we expect? There's a possibility that price will start dropping, right? So if in case USD index will drop, then that it will make sense for us to expect, bullish move. It would make sense for us to expect like a bullish move, a continual movement to the upside on gold. But if in case reverse be the case, maybe gold USD index goes bullish, then we expect gold to actually drop more. So a lot of traders will actually be selling from here. But I think gold USD index will come up a bit, push up a bit before it starts dropping. In the long run, I'll be expecting a drop. That is what I'll be expecting on USD index, right? So a lot of people want to start selling from here, but I would say no, you need a confirmation. before you sell, because a lot of traders want to sell from the brokers, or you know the market makers knows that, okay, a lot of traders will start speculating a sell from here, and guess what, it will go bullish, take out a lot of traders stop loss, then it will start dropping. That is exactly what they do. Once they get to a major level like this, where they know that a lot of people would want to start reacting at that level, this is where the market makers will come in to also react, do opposite of what these traders would likely be doing at a key level, to actually take them out before it starts dropping. So watch out if this USD index starts dropping. Only if this USD index starts dropping, then you can now start speculating in buy on gold. Basically, we are going to cover more on it on the Patreon channel. So if you are interested, all you just have to do is go to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. Subscribe to the Patreon channel and you get access to those high probability setup trade, by the way.